It's me, and I'm back today, and I'm watching fireworks onto the TV because we live too far away. But I think I might check the outdoors. Maybe we aren't too late. They sound close. Woo! If you guys can hear this, it sounds... Woo! Let's find out the source. They're very close by. I just don't know where, but it's really freaking loud. Oh! They're down the street. Looks like they're over. Wait. That was freaking awesome. Oh! And we still got some more. They're on the TV. But seriously, it sucks, really. But right here, we can at least watch these ones. Really wish I could be there to watch it, but it's fine, really. I don't have to be there. Alright guys, I think that's it for the video. I'm running out of storage space. But if you're there now, please tell me, and tell me how much you enjoyed it. I have to be home the whole time anyways, so... I just absolutely love fireworks, but gotta go. Bye.